Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Builder Mario in Mario Maker 2. Builder Mario is a unique power-up available in the game's story mode, offering special abilities. Unlocking him requires completing a particular mission, and I'll walk you through the precise steps to add this powerful character to your roster. Get ready to enhance your building experience with his unique skills. To unlock Builder Mario, your primary goal is to complete the mission titled Let's Go, Builder Mario. This crucial mission is located within the story mode of Super Mario Maker 2. It's a significant undertaking that involves helping to reconstruct Princess Peach's castle, a central objective in the game's narrative. Successfully finishing this mission is the direct path to obtaining the Builder Mario power-up. To complete the Let's Go, Builder Mario mission, you need to accumulate a substantial amount of coins. These coins are essential for funding the reconstruction of Princess Peach's castle. You can earn coins by playing through the numerous jobs and missions available throughout story mode. Prioritize missions that offer greater coin rewards to expedite your progress and unlock Builder Mario more quickly. Once unlocked, Builder Mario brings exciting new capabilities to your gameplay. With his trusty hammer, he can effortlessly smash through hard blocks, opening up new paths and secrets. Additionally, he possesses the ability to create up to 2 crates, which can be strategically placed to reach higher areas or solve environmental puzzles. These unique skills make him invaluable for navigating challenging levels and discovering hidden areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.